Some may say that I look angry. Hello, it's me again, Shreya from Foodie Meets Food, and today we're in Kings Heath High Street. We've come to try Soul Chicken from Soul Chicken. It's a place that basically specializes in chicken, and what they do differently is they put their soul in it. You know, like they put the Caribbean style flavors in the chicken, and all their flavors are natural. At least that's what they say. What fascinated me the most about it is that you can have a lot of things in a box. Like you can have a burger in a box, mac and cheese, fries, chicken wings, name it. You can have a lot of things just in one box. So it's a complete meal if you want it to be. Anyway, come with me, let's see what they're all about.
Yeah.
Right, so I've just sat down. When I saw Soul Kitchen on Instagram, I thought it's just a small size place, but the place is actually huge. It can handle up to, I think, 20 or more people. And then the windows, there's big windows all around, and then there's light from the bulbs. So I feel like the natural light makes it bright and warm and just chilled. And then there's graffiti on the walls. It's artistic, I would say. It's very, very artistic. There's a lot to look at as you're having a meal. It feels like a place where you would come with your friends or even on a date. But I love the light that's coming from there at the moment. The sun is just hitting. When I came in, I went and told them that I'm doing a food review and what they would recommend. And the gentleman behind the till actually asked me what I like eating. I told him I like spicy but not too spicy. So I told him to surprise me and that I trust that he will give me the best that they've got. And now we just wait and hope for the best.
Got you those dreams.
That is a fist.
So you got pure value, so cheap box, mac and cheese homemade, got off the bone wrap, Amjad wings, your mango wings, Cajun fries, rice and beans, finely mayo, then you got homemade Oreo cheesecake, corn and side salads.
Okay.
Yeah. But the fries you're eating is those ones,
I know.
and they come from Litchfield.
That actually fascinated me.
Is
I didn't think that knowing the potato that you're eating would be that interesting. But
try one, just try one, and you will see the difference straight away. It's impossible to. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, don't let it get cold. Trust me.
Okay.
Yeah.
In case I do not have words to say, it's because I'm really, really excited about this and hungry as well. Right, you've heard everything that we've got. I'm gonna explain as I go as well. So the thing that I'll start with is mac and cheese. So the top is crispy, the inside is still cheesy, and then this is a secret that most people don't know, and I'm sure they've used it. They won't tell me, but I'm sure they've used it. Vinegar. Add a touch of vinegar in your mac and cheese and you're home. A little bit of vinegar just balances the cheesiness, so you don't feel like it's too fatty, too cheesy and too salty. Love that. And it's hot. Love it. I'll try a wrap as well. This is the boneless wrap with salad and sauce. Initially I wanted a burger, but I was advised on the wrap, and the reason they advised me on the wrap is it's filled with chicken. The sauce, it has a sweetness to it, creaminess, which is I think mayo, sweetness, creaminess, and tangy, but the sweetness is so nice and sweet. I'll try some of the corn. This is how I usually grill it. Oh, this is how I like my corn. perfectly grilled. You can taste the charness of the grill. Right, I'm gonna try the rice and peas. I would say that's nice coconutty, and you can taste the beans. Honestly, I would eat it just on its own, but the sauce gives it a different taste. And it's very, very spicy. Not very, very spicy, but it's nice and spicy. That's the mango chicken wing. It's the chicken wing with mango flavor. And that mango flavor, it's the one that I've just tasted with the fries. Oh, I love it. See, when you're having mango juice, the taste that you get from mango juice, pure fresh mango juice, I've gotten it from that. You can taste the char grilledness. You know the bit of bitterness you get from char grill. You can taste it. Right. Remember I said I love my salt? So I've just added some salt to the jack wings. I'll tell you what I really, really love about this chicken. First of all, it's come off the bone. That's a good thing. It means that it's been cooked properly. If it starts sticking on the bone, it means it's been overcooked. If it comes off the bone and it's still red, it just means that it's been undercooked, of course. The first thing I really, really, really love about this chicken wings, you taste the char grilledness immediately. Immediately you take that bite. The vibe. It's got a sweetness and tanginess to it. And then a bit of spice, like hot spice, but you can tell it also has different spices in it. Well, this is the cheesecake. It's the Oreo one. I'm really full, but I'm gonna try it just for you. Cheers. Even when you look at it, you can see how airy it is. So that's a light cheesecake. It's a nice dessert to have after this heavy meal because it's not that filling. And you can taste the flavor of the Oreo and the flavor of the cream cheese, which is nice. And then it's got a bit of tanginess. Some may say that I look angry, but truth be told, I am just too full. Oh, as you can see, we have demolished, or rather, yes, we have demolished. I could not eat it on my own, so I shared a little bit with the cameraman, but I ate most of it. Do you believe me? That was a hearty plate. That spoke to my soul. Like, that was such a good meal, such a good way to end the day as well. Well, do not forget to subscribe, and till next time, adios.